Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create Discord verification system using Dyno. So first of all, what you have to do is open your server in which you want to integrate your verifying system. So in the chat room, what I will do, I will create a new channel. So I will click on the plus icon and then I will create a new text channel and I will name it as verify. I will create the channel. Now what I will do, I will go to the settings of the verify channel that I have just created. I will click on it and I will go to the permissions. And then I will click on the advanced permissions. Then what I will do, I will give some permissions like view channels. I will click on the tick button and I will scroll down just a bit. I will also allow messages. I will create the check mark. I will click on it and I will scroll down just a bit. And I will also check mark the read message history button. Once I've done that, I will go back and then what I will do, I will click on my server's name, which is on the top left corner. And then I will click on server settings. Then I will go to the roles section, click on roles. Then you'll be able to see all of the roles. Then what I will do, I will create a new role. So I will click on create role. I will give a name of the role. For instance, I will name it as verified. And after that, I will go to the permissions tab, which is on the top, click on permissions. Now you have to give some permissions to the verified role. For instance, I will allow it to view channels. I will scroll down just a bit. I will also allow send messages and I will also allow read message history. Now I'm done on this setup. Now what I will do after that, I will click on the app directory and then I will click on the search bar, which is on the top right corner, and I will type Dyno. You'll be able to see the Dyno bot, which is on the left side. Click on Dyno and you have to click on add app. Click on it, click on visit site. A new tab will open. From here you have to select the server in which you want to integrate your Dyno bot. So I will select my server name. If you have multiple servers, you will click on the drop down menu and select the appropriate server and then click on continue. Click on authorize and after that a new page will open. What you have to do is go back to your Discord, open Discord app. You have to go back again to your server, go to server settings, go to roles, and you'll be able to see the Dyno bot on the bottom of all the roles. What you have to do is drag the Dyno role. After that, you have to drop down the Discord application on your PC. Now, what you have to do is click on next and skip all the part. Click on next and click on done. Now on this section in the search bar, you have to type in reaction. You'll be able to see reaction roles. You have to make sure it is turned on and click on settings. Then you can give a unique name to your message settings. For instance, I will name it as verify and I will select the channel name. As you can see, I can see the verify. Now after that, you have to select plain message. Then I will name it as react to verify and then I will scroll down just a bit and click on add reaction, and in the reaction tab I will click the plus icon and I will set my reaction as checkbox. You can set any emoji. Then in the role section I will find my verify role. As you can see, there's my verify role. I will click on it and then I will simply click on save. Once saved, I will go back to my Discord server. I will go back and then I'll be able to see my verify. As you can see, there's a Dyno bot react to verify. Now if I add any user to my Discord server, then he will simply click on this reaction button. Once he's verified, then he will get all the permissions that I have given to the verified role that I have just created. And that's how you can create Discord verification system using Dyno. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.